Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the never-ending tasks on your to-do list? What if I told you that you could achieve more by doing less? Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into a simple but powerful principle that could change the way you approach your work and life, the 80-20 rule. Stick around because what I'm about to share could transform how you think about productivity forever. Today, we're going to unlock the power of the 80-20 rule. This principle has been used by some of the most successful people in history, from business tycoons to athletes. If you've ever struggled to focus on what really matters, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to apply the 80-20 rule in your own life to maximize results with minimal effort. Ready to work. Smarter, not harder? Let's get started. I remember a time when I was juggling so many projects at once. I felt like I was constantly busy, but I wasn't seeing the progress I wanted. I was caught in the trap of trying to do everything and doing none of it well. But then I discovered the 80-20 rule, and everything changed. The 80-20 rule is simple: 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Think about it. Out of all the tasks you're working on right now, only a few are truly driving your success. The key is identifying those tasks and focusing your energy on them. Imagine you're an entrepreneur. You're busy with emails, meetings, social media, and endless tasks. But guess what? Only a small percentage of these things are contributing to your bottom line. In fact, only 20% of your activities are likely responsible for 80% of your results. Before we dive deeper into how to implement the 80-20 rule, take a second and comment below. What's one task in your life that you know is giving you the most results? Let me know. I'd love to hear how you're already applying this principle. Now that we've understood the concept, how do we apply it in our daily lives? Here are 3 simple steps to get started with the 80-20 rule. Step 1. Identify your high-impact tasks. Take a look at your to-do list and highlight the tasks that are directly aligned with your goals. These are your 20%. The rest? Let them go or delegate them. Step 2. Eliminate distractions. Cut out time wasters. Social media, excessive meetings, and low-priority tasks that drain your energy, they're part of the 80% that doesn't contribute much to your success. Set boundaries and focus only on what moves you forward. Step 3. Automate or delegate. Look at tasks that can be automated or handed off. If something isn't in that 20% that directly affects your outcome, find a way to free up your time. Now it's your turn to start using the 80-20 rule. Try applying these steps to one area of your life this week and watch how much more productive you become. And hey, if this video gave you some value, hit that like button and subscribe to the Success Hub for more tips like this.